Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Stremio on iOS, quick and easy tutorial for 2025. So first, to be able to begin, so you'll just need to go ahead and download first the players or the video players that are compatible with Stremio. So there are two options for us in here, so just head onto your app store. You could search for Out Player or VLC Media Player. So those two are the ones that are compatible for this. So I have gone ahead and installed VLC already, so we're going to use that one. Then right after, head onto your browser here and search for Web Stremio. So once here, simply go ahead and click onto the first link that you could see there. And then you should go ahead and have an account first. So if you don't have an account first, just simply sign up here. Or if you have already, you could just log in. Right after, for easy access, we're going to add this to home screen. Click onto this icon here onto the middle part and add this to home screen. So you could go ahead and name that, click on add, and you should be able to see that one already here. So simply click onto that one to open this, and then just log in onto your account to start streaming. So you'll just have to choose in here a movie that you want to watch, and then right after. So just make sure that the players are installed onto your device so you could go ahead and start streaming the movies here. And that is how easy to use Stremio on iOS. And before we end this video, don't forget to check the links in the description for extra tips and helpful resources just for you. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.